Today we're going to talk about formatting in HTML and know about div and span elements and how to insert link in our HTML file. So let's get started. Welcome back. First of all, why we use formatting? Because it makes our code readable and easy to understand for the user. We have three different parts in this section: header, main, and footer. Then we have div and span elements. Span is used for grouping and applying styles to inline elements, while div tag is nothing more than a container unit that encapsulates other page elements and divides the HTML documents into sections. In easy words, you can say that span are inline elements while div are block elements. You're gonna understand it in a minute. What do we mean by that? The next we have anchor tag. To insert any website link in our HTML file, we use anchor tags. Anchor tag is used to define the beginning and end of a hypertext link. Search engine uses the tag to determine the subject matter of the destination URL. So let's jump to our code editor and start exploring above topics in detail. First of all, we go through the formatting in HTML. Here we have the header part. The header element represents a container for introductory content or a set of navigational links. A header element typically contains one or more heading elements, logo or icon, or any authorship information. Then we have main part. Here we create an article. Now you wonder, what is article? Let me clear. The article tag is used in a blog post, forum post, newspaper article, etc. It specifies self-contained composition in a site, document, page, or application. You can also create different sections and A-side elements. The section element is a structural HTML element used to group together related elements. The A-side tag is used to describe the main objects of the web page in a shorter way, like a highlighter. Then we have the last part, which is footer. The footer tag defines a footer for a document or section. A footer element typically contains authorship information, copyright information, contact information, sitemap, back to top links, related documents. You can have several footer elements in one document. It's all up to you. Now we have div and span elements. In one line, if I can say, div are block elements like a container and span are inline elements. The difference between span and div is that a span element is inline and usually used for a small chunk of HTML inside a line, such as inside a paragraph, whereas a div division element is block line, which is basically equivalent to having a line break before and after it, and used to group larger chunks of code. Right now, it may seem unclear for you because both these elements are mainly used while styling our website using CSS. But for now, you have to know that span are inline elements while div are block elements. Now we have the anchor tag, also called as A tag. The A tag defines a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to another. The most important attribute of A tag is href, which indicates the link's destination. Now let's replace it with, by default, links will appear as follows in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. Now let's save it and see how it looks in our browser. So just click on that link and we end up to Blogging Barn official website. That's all for today. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next lecture.